Hello. So this is a 2012 Honda CR-V. I got to where when I would put my parking brake on, it would still roll a little bit. And I knew I needed new brakes anyway, so I put new rotors front and rear, made sure the rear shoes were good for the parking brake in there, and that didn't fix the problem. So here's how you fix that problem. This is the parking brake, right? The kind with the foot. You shove it in there. There's an adjustment. Here's how you do it. Move your seat all the way forward. It's helpful if you take this off. I used one of these little pry tools to pop that out of there. Okay. Right into here, grab your carpet and just fold it like this. This shield needs to come off. It comes off with a Phillips screw head right there. Another one that's kind of hidden, you got to pull the carpet back right there. And then a 10mm screw hidden over here, okay? So you take all those apart and wiggle it out of here. Okay, boom, it's out. There's your adjusting mechanism. Use a 10mm wrench. One of these is super helpful, but you can use just a regular end wrench like this, and I'll show you why it's helpful. Because right there, see that nut? You need to turn it this way so it goes that way and pulls this out. Basically, you're just taking up a little bit of the slack in this. So this is helpful. I'm not gonna be able to do it one-handed, but you get the gist. Get this on there and tighten it up a little bit, and then just go test it. You know, go 3 or 4 turns maybe, and then put your car in neutral, put the brake on, see if it rolls back. Obviously be careful when you're doing this. You know, if you're putting it in neutral, you know, you don't want the car rolling back with you out of the car. So obviously you're putting the key in, doing that, putting this on there and testing it. And voila, mine didn't take that long at all. Mine didn't take very many turns. That's how you do it. Good luck.